I've been wanting to build me a little power room where I could put a generator outside here, electric start, change all my outside lines out, my lines going to all my outside buildings, and change out my meter pan and all that. Not my meter pan, my breaker box. I was wanting to put a building like maybe 5 by 8 or something like that. This is my well right here, so I was wanting to be close to it. And then also my there's my power pole right there, the transformer. Here's my meter. So you can see I'm just maybe 30 feet away from it. And we'll change all this out. And actually, I've already started tearing it all apart and everything, getting it ready. I'm either going to put my building like right here, so it'll be close to this water well, or I'm going to put it back behind me on the other side. I haven't made my mind up yet. It just depends on where the lines play out. If I have enough slack to get over here, I would really like to get over closer this way. It will help me out with my with the slack and all on this thing, because I'm going to have to set another pole. This time it'll be a treated 6 by 6, probably 20 foot tall. It'll be a lot better job than I did this time. I set this pole here myself. It's just an old telephone pole. And it's just, and I underestimated how much, I don't know if you could see, I underestimated how much weight is on that thing, and it just eventually just has pulled my pole this way. So I want to get over here, come down, move everything to a 6 by 6. I'll concrete that joker in the ground this time. And then it would be nice if I could have that there, and then have my little building right here. But I'll just have to see how it works out. The generator I'm getting, we have 2 generators now. One's I think a 8,000, and the other's a 5,000. Just normal generators, but they're pull start. I want electric start generac, and maybe 10,000. Just depends on how much how much I can afford at the time. Maybe 10,000. It will not do the whole house, but I don't necessarily need the whole house. I just need 3/4 of the house most of the time. So, and then I still have those other generators too that could carry the load on the rest of it. But I'm gonna try to build my thing right here. Like I said, once I start digging up all my lines, I'll find out if I can or if I've got to move it. Because I might have to move it behind me. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll find out. But I got a town built out here. I probably have 15 or 20 electric lines run. Some of them feed 2 or 3 different buildings.